So comment down below, which room do you pick? My big brother's or me, like mine. So my big brother's name is Dan. So say Dan if you like him and say Chloe if you like mine. So this is like there's some stuffed animals and guitar and in my room. And my curtain. And here. And and then next is my big brother's. Cause you already seen mine in my other video. So this is my big brother's and that's his bed and it looks brand new. And his shirts, his pictures, and stuffed animals. And those are his shoes. That's his closet. And that's his flag.
And that's it?
Yes. Comment down below. Don't forget to comment. Bye. Or do you like my mom's and dad's? Comment down below. Like what?